Hello, this is Miss Hung. Welcome back to Maths. Today we are doing 2D transversal and parallel lines. All right, so what is a transversal line? A transversal line is a line that cuts at least two other lines. So as you can see in this example here, sorry, getting my pen out. Here we go. We've got one line here, we've got a second line here, and this line cutting through them both is the transversal. All right, if I were to add a second line here, imagine that's straight. That is another transversal because it's cutting lines 1 and 2. Okay, I'm going to teach you 3 different types of angles that you'll find in this sort of situation. The first one is alternate. Okay, it makes more sense if I show you in the diagram. So the definition is on opposite sides of the transversal and inside the other lines. So let's just firstly identify which one is the transversal. The transversal is this one, because it's cutting 1 and 2 lines. Okay, so on opposite sides of the transversal and inside the other 2 lines, this angle here is alternate to this angle here because they are on opposite sides of the transversal. One's on this side, one's on that side, and they're inside line 1 and inside line 2. And as you can see, they form a Z shape. A Z shape. Okay, so alternates are Zs. That's how you remember. Next one, corresponding angles in the same position. All right, so again, we've got our transversal. We'll use the same color. We've got the transversal here because it's cutting 1 and 2 lines, and corresponding angles are in the same position. So if there's an angle here, the angle in the same position on the second line would be right here. Okay. The way that you can remember corresponding lines is a big F. Well, this is, ooh, that didn't work. An F flipped over. I could actually identify a second set of corresponding angles here. This angle here, if we imagine the big F, is corresponding to this angle here. Okay, so corresponding, remember, F. All right, and the third type, co-interior. This one is when you have angles on the same side of the transversal and inside the other 2 lines. So again, let's identify the transversal. This is the first line, the second line. This is the transversal cutting through the 2 lines. So co-interior angles are on the same side of the transversal. Let's choose this side. So this side of the transversal. And so it must be on this side, and it must be inside the other line. So it must be in here. So this angle A and this angle B are co-interior. Co-interior. Okay. Another example would be this angle here, C, and this angle here, D. They're on the same side of the transversal and inside both of the lines. And you can see that the shape that they make is a C or a, or you can think of it as a U. All right, skewed lines are lines that are not parallel. Parallel lines are perfectly spaced apart and they're marked by the same arrow. You could have another set of parallel lines, and again, they're marked with the same arrow, but 2 this time. If a transversal crosses 2 parallel lines, there's some special properties about the angles. Number 1, corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, and co-interior angles are supplementary, so they add up to 180 degrees. So if we have a look at that, these 2 angles are corresponding because they're in the same position. So if this angle was, let's say, 80 degrees, this angle would also be 80 degrees. Alternate. We've got this angle on this side of the transversal and this angle on the other side of the transversal. They're equal as well. So if this was, let's say, 90 degrees, this angle would also be 90 degrees. Okay, the dots just mean they're equal. Third type, co-interior. This is the C, or you can think of it as a U. So this is when you have the 2 angles on the same side of the transversal, and co-interior angles equal 180 degrees. So if this angle C was co-interior to this angle D, I could say C plus D equals 180 degrees. All right, click on the next video to watch me go through